Well, we got another super nice day. Aiden wants to ride. Jackson wants to ride. What do you think, Jack? You want to go for a ride? Start her up. This thing's been making all kinds of funny noises. I'm going to see if I can capture some of this stuff on the microphone because honestly, I feel like some of it just don't feel right. Man, she got a little dirty, huh? It just don't sound right. It seems like once it gets up to temp, it makes this whine, this kind of squeal. You can even kind of hear it there. I don't know if you can, but it don't really sound right. So we'll go for a quick trail ride. I want to try and see if I can actually get this on the microphone so I can analyze it and listen to it after the fact and see what it is and if it's just normal CanAm stuff or if I got stuff I need to look into. So let's do it. Let's go. Jackson, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Sound like that though?
Yeah, it is.
Like CanAm?
Yeah, for now. It's definitely a Talon tablet, but I think what I'm going to do is get a better one for the Talon and we'll keep this one for the CanAm. It's almost some more RAM.
You gotta have the best one, don't you?
Well, I like good stuff. There's Aiden in the Kodiak.
I probably got that thing working now. I was really concerned that I messed with the Kodiak.
So the noises, the squeaks I'm all right with, but there's like this high-pitched whine. Is that the clutch? Ooh.
That's how that's when you start it. Like when you just start it, it makes that high pitched noise.
Yeah, but what is that? That's all I want to know. Is it normal?
Probably. It's probably normal when you're breaking it in, honestly.
Think so?
Yeah. This thing was straight off stroke before, so.
How many miles we got on this thing? 11.2. Man, this is washed out.
Oh yeah. I forgot you had time to prove this out.
Yeah.
Remember all the golf balls we found?
Yeah.
That was the sandbox, Dad. Remember there was a sandbox?
Yeah. Oh, Jackson, take your helmet off. Your helmet's like right in the way of that video. You don't need a helmet this side by side.
It's not. Well, if the microphone strapped to the helmet.
So undo it. Hey, go ahead, you go first. Aiden's bummed. He wants to ride his dirt bike, but it's just so sloppy out here.
At least we can ride.
Yeah, it's true.
We can ride.
What's funny is I feel like now it's not making all these noises that I was talking about.
Once it idles, it's when it first starts up and makes those noises, and then once it idles for literally like 10 seconds, it'll go away.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, because when I started it, I could hear it. I could hear like that.
There's definitely squeaks.
It sounds like something from the steering wheel. Again, the tanks of getting it straight off the showroom floor. Things gonna be a little squeaky because it's never been moved.
Yeah, but I mean, it's brand new. We got it straight off the showroom floor. The thing's got 11 miles on it. It shouldn't be squeaking that much. I mean, geez. My Honda don't squeak like that.
Well, your Honda was a brand new when we bought it.
Well, it's got 1,400 miles on it. It still don't squeak like that.
It's because it hasn't been moved on.
Because it's a Honda.
No, on this. It hasn't been moved a lot, so it's just literally like the only time it's been actually like the steering wheel's been moved is when they were moving it off the showroom floor when we had it. Now we're going opposite way from Aiden.
My Honda might not squeak
no,
like.
No.
What?
Oh, you have to go that way.
Why?
Because this has like a drop off and it's too narrow for this thing to get through.
I can make that.
Yeah, no, it's
Oh, I
it's too
see.
small.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
And it's,
I see what you're saying.
I've taken that route plenty of times in my Ace before.
See that?
Yeah,
What is that noise?
I don't know. That's when we're sitting.
See? I don't know.
Are you still thinking about trading your CanAm for the trading in your Honda for the CanAm?
Time will tell, but it's definitely a possibility. The Honda,
I'm
much
pretty
as-
sure Fabian's done
yeah. As much as I love my Honda Talon, there's nothing like a turbo, and it definitely is. It's super reliable. I love the reliability about it, but you get behind the seat of a turbo machine, and it's just a whole nother fun factor.
Yeah.
It really is, you know.
Fabian's machine is odd. That's like the
Well,
coolest thing. That thing looks awesome.
Even this thing, it's only 135 horsepower, but the turbo makes it so much peppier. It just makes it fun to drive. I don't know. The Talon's fun to drive. I just feel like if I did,
It's not that fast. It only has like 100 horsepower.
I think it's 106. Yeah, but I mean it's fine. But I think if I were to sell it, I would sell it and put that money towards a Maverick X3, the
I would
Turbo
trade it.
RR.
I think you should just full on trade.
Well, no, you make more money if you sell it yourself. If you trade it in, you can make more money. And since I have the title, it'll be easy to sell yourself.
Oh, what cool buddy.
Yeah. Well, I feel like it was kind of a disappointment for the noises because I don't know that we've heard too much, but man, it's soupy right here. But it is squeaky. I wonder if those will come up in the video because you can hear it.
My favorite thing about the CanAms is when you hit the gas, it just like sends you back to your seat.
That's the turbo. And the Honda doesn't have that. The
And
Honda's
it just
got
like pits up.
yeah. Honda's got a little bit of a throttle delay. It's like a lag. When you smash it, it's a couple seconds and it goes. This thing, you smash it, it just goes.
You have immediate response. This is blacked off. Remember we never finished.
No, we had Tyler clear it.
Yeah, we never finished it though. There's still a giant fog in the way.
I made it through.
And what?
And this.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't.
Where's
tell.
Aiden?
He might have went back up. I can't tell which one's our worst mud hole. Mid mud hole or that one? That one used to be.
Yeah.
Remember how bad that thing was?
Yep. I do like the CanAm steering wheel.
Oh yeah, turning radius is really good.
Yeah.
The steering wheel too is
Yeah,
awesome.
it is. I just can't wait to be able to get this thing out. What are we gonna do for spring break, dude? Are we gonna go to
I don't know.
do something fun? Woo-hoo-hoo! Man, that's fun.
Oh, that 20 minutes might be up. It might be my turn to ride.
Oh, you want to take the Kodiak?
Yeah?
Yeah, we can go back up there.
Wherever we go, I want to ride with Mom because this is her machine and she's gonna want to break it in, so she'll be riding like faster in it. And I want to ride the new CanAm
Yeah?
because I've always been with you in the Talon, and I'm not complaining. We can't ride it back here, remember?
Why?
Because Talon doesn't. He's not running at the barn anymore. We don't have permission.
Yeah, it's true. I think there's a tree blocking anyway.
This tree's about to fall.
Yeah, there's a tree down over there. Man, I need that backup camera, dude.
Yeah, I was just about to say, maybe that's it.
I got it sitting in the garage. We just need to do it.
Oh, remember this is where we parked the Kodiak?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. That's squeaking its own noise.
Yeah, dude. It's just like, come on. Brand new machine.
What's with this thing? I've always wondered about this bird, like
What?
that birdhouse right there.
It's an owl house. That's where the owl lives.
Oh, Crazy Jeff?
Yep.
That's what me and Aiden think. Aiden just went back up, so now it's my turn. So, well, actually, I need to grab that helmet. Dad, the baby was in the driveway, and you just did that.
Oh, she's fine.
Huh?
She's fine.
She's pretty fast. What is this?
Cell phone tower?
I've always wanted to go here. Look at that.
That looks soupy.
Yeah, you want to go for it?
I kind of do, but
I think if Mom saw you zooming through the driveway when Ella was in there, she's going to kill you. You know that, right?
yeah, she wouldn't be too happy.
I think you ran over one of the flags.
That's all right. Let's get it.
Oh, it's Lou.
Was it Lou?
Yeah, it looks like it. That looks like it's a truck, and then the person that honked and saw through the windows, it looks like him.
Man, traffic's heavy today.
Yeah, if Mom saw you zooming through the driveway, she's gonna kill you. Hit it! No, no, no! Come on, suckers! Come on. Dad. Slow.
She's not even in there, Jackson.
Oh. Sorry. Well, still.
All right, so we got it up to temp. We went on our quick trail ride. Gonna go over the footage and actually see if those sounds registered. It actually wasn't as noisy this time as it's been on some of the other rides. And most of it squeaks, whatever. Squeaks are one thing, but it's like this high-pitched whining noise once it gets up to temp that has me a little concerned. I don't know if it's normal. If it is, then I'll just deal with it. If it's something I gotta fix, then I gotta fix it. And that's what I'll do. So that's it. I'm gonna go over this footage and actually see if I can hear those sounds, see if I can get it on the video. If you guys know that it's normal and this is just normal CanAm sounds, please let me know and I'll quit worrying about it. But that's it. Let's go.